Ebyokwazibwa kwa Human Resource wa Bushenyi Pauline Nakabuye nikwizabwa nyuma ya RDC wa Bushenyi imengabirano okuragira OCCID wa Bushenyi kwa mutwara ha polisi okwehozaho ebiri kugambwa ngu atwire nashaba ba pensioners sente ziri kwingana miliyoni 1 no kweyongerayo ngu babone batunge pension yabo.
Mr. Chairman, ni shaba ngu Chief Administrative Officer are handing over human resource boss to this gentleman. If you are not documented, but documenting it as we look for a solution. OCCID, yes, Genoco statement. Today the program I hear here finance night we are to say you.
I have been told they are supposed to come and make an accountability. But it's a bank statement and other necessary documents. One of the reasons as to why these people have totally failed to trace these Abashashui is that because Kubakuja is create accountability, they are asked to pay some money. Is it true? Yes. Yes. That's one.
Chairman wa District Egi Prosper Twebaze agambira Tayari West ngu District Egi ina mabanja mingi otire munago agabaru kubanza za pensioni.
Ahubwo kuba madam kawo for your information muntu aheze kuje mu office oku yanje mu mabanza district aba pensioners aba 95 kugaruka kinana na mushango bakazo mu court basinga umushango gwa 4 billion baba ho sentenje ezindi zabo muhanga
abari kutunganya kwatwa kakumu nabo haruhe bagambira Tayari West TV.
Shaberoz akanja kutunga nota makakade anda kashashiko ku 2024.
Did she pay?
Bakamshashira kanda katayibiri yonechi
akajo
madam Poli
Tahanda Sebastian. Bakamwe miliyoni 1 kabiri na rasmi kana mbere ntazire ni kandi murtaro ni. Bakajumuiha
bakajishashuro
bakajishashura ubwo cyaro
Poli
ngire kampani mirundo mwenda ninyo kuzekera abantu kuronda sente zabo hatumwe nu kawo yatshemeza okhayo human resource no watwira byamire bintu byita ko bambuze buzo byone paparanata y'bitakiri
kwatwa hona nagamba ko batakahereza yo garukarara rwabo abari kubanja sente zabo mu ministry y'ebye sente.
I have spent for the Kampala for the forms as you have had. But I was told the forms were lost in the registry. They were misplaced. They didn't put them in the system. We tried to do physical search. It is not possible to trace the physical claims physically because they have the loans.
Now has 7 days. Either arrêter documents za pensioners or at we amateka gabingo yes, she was facilitated. Tuina tulentuma yangu ipopore kazangahi Kampala. Konkata rina njati neriye kwa system tero na documents ziri hachingore.
Chairman wa District Egi Prosper Twebaze aragira ngu emivoyo yona eriyo pension eterezibwe aho naho
agira ngu age cabinet shitame kore cyamuhira omushenje omuturuma abantu bemiringo biji you will understand. Now Madam Poli nyongo mwembeza musya kana na administration yonerya we want this thing rectified before the end of next week. We want this rectified.
Abari kwetombwita nibenda bebemezo mu Bushenyi kora hanshonga zabo aho naho ningani bija kweterera nduru wa minister wa government ze byanga Honorable Baramba Rugahara Gashako Olivia na Sasira.